and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. Stick around until the end, I've got some exciting news you won't want to miss. This one's about something that looks harmless, as simple as a chip fan, until it isn't. We were finishing a run of precision plates, clean pockets, tight corners, everything looking good. At the end of the cycle, the operator used a chip fan to clear out the chips before inspection. It spun up, hit the coolant mist, and boom, one of the fan blades broke off. The broken piece bounced around the enclosure, hitting the finished machine part and scaring the daylights out of everyone nearby. The part was scrapped, the fan was toast, and the operator learned a quick lesson. Even something as basic as a chip fan can cause damage if it's worn out or unbalanced. Lesson learned. Shop efficiency isn't just about feeds and speeds, it's about preventing the little things from turning into big problems. Because even a small piece of plastic can ruin your perfect finish. And now for that exciting news. We're running a giveaway this month. To enter, make sure you have an active, registered MachiningCloud account and like, comment and subscribe on this video. The prize, a brand new smartwatch. Perfect for anyone who lives by cycle times. The winner will be announced at the end of the month, so don't miss your chance. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.